Would anyone believe that this is an hospital? that looks like a hotel. So guys, this is the patient's bed where my wife will be staying, because this morning is going to be the procedure. So our procedure will be done this morning. So we just had to wake up very early to have our bed. So she's getting prepared. So I just had my bed. This place is really the hospital, but it looks like a hotel. Now we have another room here. Here I slept and she slept here. So you can actually have your bed here in the hospital. I will show you the bedroom. Very nice one.
Very cool. Very cool.
I have a bed so that I can look very fresh before she goes into the surgery room.
You or me?
Before you go into the surgery room, I want to look fresh.
Yeah, even me too. I need to look fresh. I'm waiting for you to give me my towel. Let me arrange your towel at the back. Your cap.
But I'm saying I'm
Fold it well. Fold it well. Don't let your listen show.
What this is not possible. Baby, what's it? Why is the color like this?
What is the color? It's new one.
It's not so white.
And that is the color. Let me send it. Hope you send it good.
It's good.
Sense well.
Yeah.
Sense good. It's the same thing.
So that's for my bit. Now what else? Now the first one I rub is my toner for face.
Man, you will be man. I need toner for face, toner for one piece. Toner
This
for
one is this serum.
the serum.
Serum for face.
You will be man. They use serum for face. You don't get that for all this serum. Not the serum.
This is the serum for face.
And then it drop. Man, you are maintaining only your
You
face.
see, now time this one would have fallen and broken.
Eh.
So this is the serum for face. Let me.
My name is go ask you. Who are you maintaining your face for? What me I don't do?
What you don't do?
Yes. I don't have time to be staring
Come
my
on, say you
face.
let me see your face.
You want to see my face?
Can you imagine? My wife says, why am I maintaining my face? What am I maintaining my face for? Do I need to look good for anyone?
You need to look good for me now.
First of all, I need to look good for myself.
And for
I don't,
me.
Yes, first of all, if you are looking good, don't prioritize anyone. Look good for yourself.
Exactly,
first.
exactly.
So the first priority should be you. Consider yourself. Okay?
Okay, my love.
So,
Sweetheart.
so I'm looking good for myself. Then after
No, the fact is that right
the
from
serum,
time, this is
then
what
I
you
need to
want.
use my moisturizer.
Mm-hmm.
I need to use my moisturizer.
Well, then the thing that you're advertising for them.
Moisturizer is the name of it's a kind of cream.
No, since you are showing me to the camera, so they will not catch
I'm using my
the
moisturizer.
camera. The camera will not catch the name on that is written on your moisturizer cream. Moisturizing cream.
That's my moisturizer.
To moisturize.
So-
I'm hungry. Oh.
Baby, you know you cannot eat.
I'm hungry, my love.
You cannot
I need to
eat.
drink hot tea.
So my wife.
Hot tea. I need to take hot tea.
Come.
I need to take hot tea. Hot tea.
So
I need to take hot tea.
I woke up before her, so I had my bed before her.
Right.
So now she's going to be having a bed. We'll keep you updated. So, baby, you know, they say you cannot take anything, you cannot have breakfast, you cannot have anything.
Okay.
Because the procedure is this morning.
Okay, my love.
Okay. Love you, baby.
I love you more, my darling husband.
So, you see, this is what we have come to work on. Did you see that? This is what this is what I spearheaded. I told my wife, I said, we are going to get rid of this.
We are going to cut this off like
So
this.
we are taking this off this morning.
Take it
And
off.
we are going to be showing you the update of how everything goes. So we'll keep you updated.
Cut this off.
Before I let me show you the bedroom. Let me show you the bedroom. It's a very beautiful place. It's a very beautiful place. Let me show you the bedroom. You look, you will enjoy it. See, it has the room has your private bedroom in the hospital. Very beautiful. You will love it. This is it. See how beautiful it looks. The private room in the hospital. You see how beautiful it looks. You will like it. So, guys, I will keep you